and welcome to this week's market update for October 9th, 2017. Excited to be here today, and let's get on with it. So we're going to go over the broad market readings, the operating plan. We always ask ourselves first, are we in bear market territory? And the answer is still no. We've got a ways to go. Almost 20% on the S&P 500 above treasuries, and 18% on the all-world ex-USA index. S&P 500 is a little bit stronger. The point is, neither one of them are close to bear market territory. When it comes to correction risk, a little bit different story. We're looking at these three items right here, whether it's a divergence, a reversal, or overbought and oversold. We are in overbought territory. You can see from right here and right here. But we started to turn down a little bit. So we'll see if we get a little bit of a pullback in the market this week. Each time we've got into overbought territory right in here, and then also last week before this run up in the market in the S&P 500, then it was still overbought, but prices went up. So it doesn't mean that prices can't go up this week, but we are in overbought territory, so it's something to look at and be aware of. As far as the current stage of the S&P 500, we had another bull breakout bar. S&P 500 up 1.19% for the week. Pretty big week for the S&P. In this broad bull channel right here, we've got a major low right here. This is a major low, and you can consider this really a minor low on this one right here. So we've got support in the 2480 level, right where the S&P 500 broke out, and then this is the major one right here, right around. It looks like it's a little bit in between 2400 and 2425. So it looks good for the bulls right here, and if we get a pullback, then more than likely we'll see some more buying. So we'll see what happens with that. As far as our operating plan goes, here we're still like preferreds in the all world ex-USA, and we're still got these for the weekly swing and nothing for a weekly scalp right now. The all world ex-USA still like it up to a 50% retracement, and we've still got momentum there. And the last week was just a neutral week, really sideways. Could be topping out right here, don't know, but we could also see a big bull bar breakout to the upside. So like it all the way up to a 50% retracement. Canada weekly swing basically flat, up 0.17% for the week, but we've got a nice bull channel right here, tight bull channel, breakout to new relative highs, so it looks good for that. Only thing that a little bit concerning is that we are at the top of the the channel range right here. So if we can get a strong break above there, that might be a good opportunity to take some profits on that. Got the stop adjusted up and managing this one like a swing. So looks good for Canada. UK, neutral, well, down 0.4%, neutral week for it basically. Just can't seem to break above this high of the $35 price range. See if we can get that this week. Got a second purchase range down here and stop down here in this range. RTS, Russian trading system, neutral week for it, down 0.2%, and we've adjusted the stop loss up. It doesn't look bad, doesn't look great, but we do like this tight bull channel that we've seen in here, and so we'll see if we can get another bull bar this coming week. Japan up 0.78%, continues to make new highs, looks good for that. Second purchase range down here, initial stop down here. If we can get another bull bar, we'll consider adjusting the stop up, but right now we're going to leave it where it is, right down here in the 49.5 range. Oil, bad week for oil, almost down 5%, 4.61%. Gets down into this trading range, we're going to look at getting some more in the bottom third of the channel. But right now, we'll see if it can stick in this. You can see it right here. I don't have it drawn, but it's still in this bull channel within the trading range. And if it can stick within there, then we might be able to get above this larger trading range from the, looks like about 56 to $41 range. U.S. Treasuries, bad week for Treasuries, down 0.5%. Gets down in this range right here. We'll look at getting some more if we get a nice buy signal. And then if it goes lower, then of course we got to stop there. So down 0.5% for the week, and we'll see what happens coming up here. Australia, I was dead set on this thing breaking out into new highs and going higher, and The darn thing just turned around negative. So down 0.4%, 0.41% for the week. Looks like it might have found range support on the 34 week moving average. Don't know if it's going to hold or not, but we'll see if it does. If it does continue downwards, okay. We got a second purchase range in here and then initial stop down here. Second purchase range only if we get that buy signal. But we got lots of room to move around. So for this week, we're still building in the All World ex-USA Index. Weekly swing, we got the cash for those second purchases and nothing for the scalp. With that, y'all have a great week, and we'll talk to you next time.